Every day, distributor teams spend hours re-entering information that's already available somewhere else. Supplier invoices, purchase orders, product catalogs, customer inquiries. The work is repetitive, slow, and costly. Many AI tools promise automation, but generic AI doesn't understand distributor workflows. It doesn't know your ERP, your products, or your customer pricing. B2Sell AI is different. Built specifically for distributors using Epicor Prophet 21, it connects directly to your business data and automates real operational work. Invoice Matching automatically reads supplier invoices, validates them against purchase orders and receipts, and creates AP vouchers with minimal human involvement. Purchase order automation creates purchase orders from demand signals, requisitions, and supplier quotes, reducing manual processing from 15 minutes to less than 2. Product data enrichment automatically extracts attributes, specifications, and descriptions from supplier catalogs and synchronizes them into your ERP and product information systems. Exception handling identifies pricing discrepancies, back orders, and credit issues before they become customer problems. The Customer Service Assistant gives your team instant answers for orders, inventory, pricing, and customer information without switching between screens. Every action is traceable and auditable. B2Sell AI reads directly from Prophet 21 data, understands distributor operations, and escalates exceptions instead of guessing. Deployment is fast and secure. Most distributors are live in 6 to 7 weeks using their existing Prophet 21 environment. Stop spending valuable time on manual processes. Discover what AI built for Prophet 21 can do for your business.